Hi, it's Miłosz from Yepp AI. Welcome to a series of tutorials that will help you learn about our platform and how to use it properly. Let's get started. So you've probably come across our slogan, turn your data into quality content. And thanks to the tab I will present to you, this is possible. After logging into Yepp, you'll immediately see your assets, which is where you can create folders about your company or your customers. To create such a folder, click the blue button, then name your folder and save it, and you're ready to go. But what about feeding those folders with knowledge? You've got 4 different options to do that. The first one is to write as you go or to paste the content that you already possess. The second option is file upload. You can upload files with extensions such as PDF, PPTX, TXT, doc or CSV. You can upload up to 5 files in a go, but make sure scans are not among them. The third option is web scraping. So if you've got a web page, a subpage that you would like to include in your assets, paste a link to it and AI will do the rest for you. And the fourth option is video upload. Once again, paste the link, but this time to the YouTube video. AI will make a transcription from an audio contained in a certain video. It's as intuitive as it gets. In the next episodes, I will tell you more about how you can turn those assets into quality content. Thanks and see you next time.